Hi everyone, I'm Neliza.
And I'm Johan.
And today we're going to be teaching you how to make last-minute DIY Easter baskets.
Special thanks to CVS for sponsoring this video and providing all these fun, colorful items that we're going to be using in our baskets. Let's get started. First off, you're definitely going to need an Easter basket. CVS has many different shapes, size, colors of Easter baskets, so you have plenty to choose from. You can check some out online or if you go into a store.
And if you can't get to one, you can use things around the house like a mason jar or a jug where you can make an eggable arrangement.
An eggable arrangement, huh?
Yeah. Our first step is going to be putting in the grass, but in order to get a slight elevation, a good tip is to use an egg carton and build your base first, and then you'll use the grass on top of that to conceal it.
So if we have deep baskets like this, we don't actually have to fill them to the rim, right?
Yeah.
Cool.
I'm thinking in order to get some elevation, we're not going to be using the purple, blue, and orange, so we can use those to lay on the bottom. And you want to start by separating it little by little. And that's how you'll be able to get more height out of it.
Clearly, this is my first time.
This is my dream come true, DIY with you.
Yeah.
Oh. And as you can see, I've only been through half of this bundle and I already have plenty of elevation. Now that your basket is ready to go, our next step is
candy.
All the candy. We got a variety of chocolate and Starburst jelly beans because you know these are just the classic Easter candy. That's what everyone is really hoping for. So we're just gonna go ahead and start filling
up the little eggs?
Yeah.
All right. So what was some of your favorite candies as a kid? What would you get in your Easter eggs?
My favorite were always the jelly beans. Oh. Except for when my brother would sneak in those Harry Potter like booger or fart tasting ones. Those were not good. But we grew up in a pranking family, so.
Yeah, that's cool. I think I've always been a chocolatey kind of guy.
Well, in Sweden, you guys don't do baskets, right?
We don't do baskets. We have giant Easter eggs that's just filled with all kinds of candy, but that's what we get, which is fine. It's just more candy.
Yeah, it's less space, less waste. Shopping tip for today. At CVS during March 29th and April 4th, it is buy one, get one 50% off select Easter candies.
Oh, sweet. So you can get a lot more bang for your buck when it comes to the candies. I'm all for it. I'm all for it.
I'm all for that BOGO.
All right. Is there any way we can kind of sprinkle in some healthy stuff?
Always. We always try to sprinkle in the gummies on our kids' Easter baskets. We put some multivitamins in there, and we're also, for the occasion, putting in some airborne
immune boosters.
Immune boosters, yeah.
So the immune boosters I have here, there's one serving is 2. So you can put them both in one egg or spread them out in 2 different ones. I'm just gonna do
And it's
one
also
serving
a really
right
good way to get your kids to moderate their candy intake. I kind of give them an allowance of eggs per day, and a basket usually lasts about a month for us, right?
That's ambitious.
Yeah, but...
Month?
Yeah. Remember that one time you hit it up on the closet and it lasted like 3 months?
Because they didn't know it was still there.
True. We're also going to be customizing these for our girls, which a 4-year-old and an 11-year-old, very different age ranges. Our 11-year-old is starting to need some self-care tips. So this is a nice way to tell your children about self-care. We're going to put some nice face masks in here for her.
Or putting all these in this one?
Yep.
Oh, I see.
And you kind of want to stand them up because you want them to be displayed. Like this is your background. And put them, yeah, there you go. Just like that.
Bath bomb, that's cute. Check that out. Karapi.
Yeah. Some little travel deodorant spray, 11 years old. This is very much needed.
Yep.
And we're going to put in some pencils.
Yes.
You can...
Because they always somehow run out of pencils.
I'm so confused.
This is like getting floss for Christmas.
It's a good candy to self-care ratio. That's what every Easter basket needs.
Yeah.
A little bit of chapstick, a little bit of Kit Kats. It's all about the balance. We got some random fun little tidbits to throw in there. Chicken and egg. Kinetic sand, that one is for the 11-year-old.
Squeezable sand, huh?
Yeah, squeezable sand, it never dries out. These are smushmallows. And when I was growing up, my mom always put a little memento, like a lovey gift, into our baskets. So we're going to continue the tradition for our daughters and put in a little, you know, squishmallow so they can think of us when they're angry about their bedtime every night.
Is this like a little flashlight built into these?
Yeah, it's a reading buddy.
Oh.
So you can read in bed at night.
Very nice. We gotta keep these away from the dogs.
Quick little tip about decorating your basket. When you do have this in the upward position, this would be your backdrop. So this is where you wanna build your back to.
Oh, okay. I'll adjust.
There you go.
Don't worry, don't worry. We'll make this happen. And there you have it. Our DIY Easter baskets. All from stuff from CVS, which you can get either in store if you need to go in store and pick up some essential supplies, or you just order them online using Instacart.
And Instacart will even drop it off at your door.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Got any more tips for us?
I do. If you guys want to turn this into a scavenger hunt around the house, a cool little tip is to put clues inside of empty eggs, and you'll actually hide the empty eggs, and this will be the grand prize for when they,
So you can totally use your CVS receipt to write all the clues on. You got plenty of paper for that. And our final tip of the day is if you don't have time, you can order a pre-filled Easter basket from CVS, one like this. And from April 5th through April 11th, you can get them at CVS starting at $15.99. So now I think we should battle test the ones that we made.
Let's see. We're gonna bring on our child and see who wins.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, so we have a judge here to tell us who won this Easter basket.
What's your name?
Zaylee.
All right, Zaylee. Who won? Which basket do you like the most?
Mommy.
Mommy's?
That didn't take long at all.
What about my basket? It's really cool too, right? I have face masks.
Both of you.
Thank you. Nice. You can find more info in the description below, and that's all we have for today. So happy Easter, everyone.